Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming a restore point or backup. This protects data if rollback fails. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security, and select View Update History to see recent installs. Make sure you note the exact KB number, because you will target it. While you're gathering that KB ID, keep administrative credentials ready. You'll need them to uninstall updates and to access advanced recovery options without interruptions. You now uninstall the update by locating Programs and Features Installed Updates, or in Settings choose Uninstall Updates and pick the KB number. Click Uninstall and follow prompts. If the option is missing, restart into safe mode and try again because minimal drivers allow removal. Make sure to watch progress and note any error codes. They guide the next step. Once removed, restart normally, and verify system behavior before proceeding to block or defer the update. Finish by preventing the update from reinstalling. Pause updates in Settings, or run the Microsoft Show or Hide Updates troubleshooter to hide the KB. Then verify stability. Open Device Manager and Event Viewer to confirm no driver or system errors remain. If problems persist, use System Restore to revert to the restore point you made earlier. This recovers system state. Finally, keep updates paused until a fixed release arrives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.